Okay, so yesterday I was at a coffee shop in Berlin. I tried to tell the barista that the music was schön, beautiful, and she just stared at me. I said it like shern, like shern. And she said, Was? And I said shern again, but louder, which made everything worse.
Oh, Max, you said shern?
I thought that was how you say it. SCHO with the dots N, shern.
That's what is schön. The word is schön, and it is not shern. But I completely understand why you thought that.
Please fix me.
That is exactly what we are doing today. And here's the secret nobody tells you. German pronunciation looks scary, but there are really only 5 sounds that always give you away. Learn those 5, and overnight you start sounding like you have been studying for years.
5 sounds? That is it?
That is it. Today we cover the umlaute, the umlauts. Those are e, and u. Then the 2 versions of ch, then the sh family, then the German r, and finally word stress and rhythm. By the end, you will sound completely different.
By the end, I just want to order coffee without traumatizing anyone.
Aber erst einmal, but first of all, herzlich willkommen zur neuen Episode German Pronunciation. Warmly welcome to the new episode. Ich bin Anna, I am Anna.
Und ich bin Max, and I am Max.
Los geht's. Let's go. Okay, section 1, the umlaute, the umlauts. These are the 3 letters with the 2 dots above them, e, and u. A lot of learners just skip them and hope nobody notices.
That is exactly what I do. I skip the dots entirely. I just say the letter without them and nod confidently.
People notice, but let us fix that. We start with the easiest one, e. That's e. This one is actually very close to English. It sounds like the F in the English word bed, short and open. Try this word, bear. That means bear, like the animal.
Bear. Like bear?
Almost. Open your mouth just a little more and keep it very short. Not bear, like you're saying the English animal. Bear. Short e sound.
Bear.
Yeah, genau. Good. Now, Das This one needs some mouth yoga.
Mouth yoga. Great.
Here's what you do. Round your lips like you're about to say the O in the word home. Hold that shape. Do not move them. Now try to say the E in bed instead.
Lips round for O, say E without moving them. That sounds biologically impossible.
Try it anyway.
Like,
Oh, that was actually close. It's very similar to the French U sound if you know any French. Try with the word now. Schön, beautiful. 2 syllables. Sh, then N.
Shun, not shern.
The lips stay round. Schön.
Shun. My barista is going to be so confused when I come back.
She'll be impressed. Now the last umlaut. U. Das U. This same trick, different starting position. Round your lips like you're about to say oo, like the oo in moon. Hold them there. Now say E, like the E in feet, without moving them.
Lips round for oo, say E. This is genuinely hurting my brain.
Push your lips forward like you're about to whistle. Really purse them. Now E.
Ooh.
Yes, that was it. Try now grün, green.
Grün. Grün. I sound like a character in a fantasy movie.
You sound like someone who speaks German. Let's do a quick practice round of all 4 words. Repeat after me. Schön, beautiful.
Schön.
Grün, green.
Grün.
Bear, bear.
Bear.
12, 12.
12. Okay. I think I have. And oo are still doing strange things to my face, but I'm getting there.
That is completely normal. Your Mund, your mouth, just needs practice. These muscles have never moved this way in your life.
That is both reassuring and deeply unsettling.
Okay, section 2. That's CH. This is where most English speakers suffer the most.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Good news. There are only 2 versions. Bad news, you have to learn when to use which one.
Of course.
Version 1 is the ach sound. This comes after the vowels a, o, u, and the combination au. It sounds like you are very gently clearing your throat. Not a big, dramatic throat clear, just a soft friction sound at the very back, like this, Bach. That is the composer's name, and it also means Bachlauf, stream.
Oh, I know Bach. I have been saying Bach, like Bach beer.
That is not Bach. Try this. Make a k sound at the very back of your throat. Now, instead of fully closing, keep a small gap and let air through. Bach.
Bach.
Yeah, good. More words with the ach sound. Buch, book. Noch, still or yet. Nacht, night.
They all have a, o, or u before the ch. Bach, buch, noch, nacht. I feel like I have a small pebble very gently rattling in my throat.
That feeling is progress. Now, version 2, the ich sound. This is softer. It comes after the vowels a, e, a, u, and also after consonants. So basically the opposite of when you use the ach sound.
So if I see ch after a, o, u, or ow, I do the throat version. After everything else, I do the soft version.
Genau, exactly right. For the soft ich sound, bring the middle part of your tongue toward the roof of your mouth, not way at the back like for ach, more in the middle, and let air through gently. It is almost like a very soft sh, but further back in the mouth.
Like a cat hissing, but quietly. A polite cat.
A very polite cat, exactly. Try ich, I, the most important word in German.
Ich. Ich?
Not quite ich. The ch is softer than a hard k. Do not close the back of your throat. Just bring your tongue near the middle of the roof and hiss gently. Ich.
Ich. Ich.
Yes. Also mich, me, durch, through, Mädchen, girl. And notice that last one, Mädchen, ends in ch after a consonant, so it gets the soft sound.
Mädchen. Okay, what about Milch? Milk.
Milch, milk, after the L, which is a consonant, so the soft ich sound.
Milch. I tried to order milk in a cafe once and said it with a hard K at the end, and the waiter brought me a beer.
That is a very German story. Weiter, let us keep going. Section 3, the SCH family. And I said family because this sound has children.
The SCH family. Are they friendly?
They are consistent, which is better. The basic SCH sound is the easiest one on this whole list. It's just sh, as in the English word shoe. Schule, school. Schiff, ship. Schön, beautiful, which we already practiced.
Okay, that one I can do. It's just sh.
Richtig, correct. The hard part is when S meets P or T at the beginning of a word. In German, when a word starts with SP, you don't say sp like in English, you say sp.
Sp.
Sp. So Sprache, language, is not Sprache like in English, it's Sprache.
Sprache. And Spaß, fun or humor, becomes Spaß.
Spaß. Das ist Spaß.
This is fun. I just use a German word correctly in a sentence.
You did. Now the other child of the SCH family. When a word starts with ST, you don't say st like in English, stop. You say st.
St.
St. So Strand, beach, is not Strand, it's Strand.
Strand. My brain just very quietly gave up.
Straße, street, is Straße. Student, student is Student.
Wait, student is student? But that's literally the same word in English. Why does the S sound different?
Because German.
That's not an explanation.
It is the most accurate one. Student. Try it.
Student. Okay, actually, I like that. It sounds more serious. A student is someone who really means business.
Genau. The student has definitely done their homework. Section 4. Das R. Prepare yourself.
Is this the part where I have to gargle?
Sort of. The German R is not the English R, and it is not the rolled Spanish R either. In English, you lift the tip of your tongue. In German, you forget the tip of your tongue exists. It all happens at the very back of your throat.
The back of the throat. Got it.
Think about gargling water. You know that vibration you feel at the very back? Now do that without water, with just a tiny bit of voice, soft and short. That is it.
Like a very quiet motorcycle at the back of my throat?
A quiet motorcycle is acceptable. Try rot, red.
Rot, like really rolling it.
Less rolling. In normal German speech, it is usually just one short tap at the back, not a long Rot.
Rot.
Good. More words. Reich, rich or empire. Rad, wheel or bicycle.
Rot, Reich, Rad. The R at the start is not as bad as I expected. It's just not where I thought it would be.
Here's a bonus that makes things easier. At the end of words, the R often gets very soft and almost disappears into a quiet ah sound. So Butter, butter, is not Butter with a hard R at the end. It's almost Butter.
Butter.
And Wasser, water, is more like Wasser. Here sounds almost like hier. The R just floats away.
The floating R. So Germans just gently release the R at the end of words and it dissolves into an ah sound.
Sehr poetisch. Very poetic. Yes.
The floating R is my new spirit animal. I can do that.
Section 5. Betonung, word stress. This is the one people forget, and it makes them sound foreign even when every single sound is correct.
So I can nail the U and the CH and the floating R and still sound obviously foreign?
Yes, because of rhythm. In German, you almost always stress the very first syllable of a word.
Always the first?
Almost always. So, handy. This means cell phone in German, by the way, not a convenient thing.
Wait, handy means cell phone?
Ein falscher Freund, a false friend. But the stress lesson, Germans say handy, not handy like English.
Handy. Huh. So every time a German says handy, they mean their phone.
Genau. More examples. Arbeit, work. Wichtig, important. Sprache, language. First syllable each time.
Arbeit, wichtig, Sprache. First syllable. Okay, that's actually simple.
The exceptions are words that start with these unstressed prefixes. Wer, be, ge. These little syllables at the front are quiet. The stress jumps to what comes after. So, verstehen, to understand. Bezahlen, to pay. Gefallen, to like something.
So the prefix just gets swallowed and you punch the next syllable.
Exactly. The prefix is there, but quiet. Verstehen. Try it.
Verstehen.
Wunderbar. Wonderful. And one last thing about rhythm. German is very even and clear. In English, we swallow syllables all the time. In German, every syllable gets its space. So slow down just a little and let each part breathe.
So I've been speeding through German like I speak English and just hoping sounds come out right?
That is exactly what you were doing. Give each syllable its room and you will immediately sound more natural. Okay, Schnellrunde, speed round. I give you 5 words that combine everything we just practiced. I guide you through each one step by step.
Oh no.
Oh yes. Word 1. Eichhörnchen. That means squirrel.
Why does squirrel have to be that long?
German is generous with syllables. Let's break it down. Start with Eich. Say I, like the body part, then add the soft CH. Remember, it comes after I, so it's the soft, polite cat version. Eich.
Eich.
Then Hörn. This has the O we practiced. Round lips for O, say A. Hörn.
Hörn.
Then Chen. Small. Just Shen. Now put it together. Eichhörnchen.
Eichhörnchen. I said it. I said squirrel in German.
You did. Word 2. Streichholzschächtelchen. This means little matchbox.
That is one word.
One word. A very small matchbox deserves a very long name. Let us go piece by piece. Streich. Remember, ST at the start becomes sht. Streich. The I sounds like I.
Streik.
Holz. Just Holz. Like the O in whole and then T at the end.
Holz.
Scheck. Start with sh, then umlaut, short sound, then the soft ch after the Scheck.
Shech. Okay.
Then Telchen, just like it looks. Now Streichholzschächtelchen.
Streichholzschächtelchen. I feel like I just ran a marathon with only my tongue.
Gut gemacht. Well done. Word 3. Donau-Dampfschiff. That means Danube steamship.
Donau-Dampfschiff. Donau-Dampfschiff. Donau-Dampfschiff.
Sehr good. Very good. You spotted the SCH in Schiff without me even saying it. Word 4. Freundschaft. That means friendship.
Freundschaft. Freundschaft.
Close. The EU in Freund sounds like oi in English, like the oi in boy. Freund. Friend.
Freund. Freundschaft.
Wunderschön. Wonderful. Last word. This one you will use every single day in Germany. Entschuldigung, excuse me, or I am sorry.
Okay, let me think. Ant is a prefix, so it is quiet. Then schul with the sh sound. Then d, then gung. Entschuldigung.
Das war perfekt. That was perfect. The SCH in the middle, the unstressed ent at the front, stress on the second syllable, Entschuldigung.
Entschuldigung. I'm going to say this to every barista I encounter as an apology for the Sharon incident.
Sie wird beeindruckt sein. She will be impressed. Und das war unsere heutige Episode. And that was our episode today. Let us do a quick Rückblick, recap, before we go.
Okay, 5 sounds. Umlauts, like in bed, like round your lips for o and say e, like round your lips for oo and say e. Then ch, the hard ach sound after a, o, u, and au, the soft ich sound after everything else, like e, I, and after consonants. Then sch is just sh, but sp at the start becomes sp, and st at the start becomes st. Then the German R lives at the back of the throat, like a gentle gargle, and at the end of words it floats away into a soft a. And stress the first syllable unless there's a ver, be, or ge prefix.
Das war absolut perfekt. That was absolutely perfect. I'm genuinely impressed.
I practiced in my head while you were talking. I contain multitudes.
Eine Frage für euch alle. A question for all of you watching. Which of these 5 sounds is the hardest for you? Write it in the Kommentaren, in the comments. We read everything.
Mine is still My mouth keeps trying to slide toward instead. It doesn't want to stay round.
Wir üben weiter. We keep practicing. Danke fürs Zuhören. Thank you for listening. Wenn euch diese Episode gefallen hat, if you liked this episode, please subscribe. A new episode comes every Woche, every week.
And next week?
Next episode, we're talking about German compound words, how Germans build words longer than entire sentences. Donau-Dampfschifffahrtsgesellschaft is a real word. We'll explain exactly why it exists and how to read it.
I'm both terrified and genuinely excited about that, which is exactly how I feel about German in general.
Das ist die richtige Einstellung. That is the right attitude. Bis nächste Woche. Until next week.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.